glaube ich, die Schnüre dann.
Eric here is a I'm your official pilot for insurance reasons and FAA reasons, but he's going to do all the flying.
Okay. Okay.
I'm flying before.
Just in case you want.
Yeah.
So if he does something.
Das ist fantastisch.
Oh wow. Cute.
Kommst du auch nochmal. Schön, super. Einfach ein Traum.
Try to get that balloon in the background in here. What I said was I sometimes will interrupt. Always fly the aircraft first, your balloon.
Der Mann mit den linken Arm.
So if you sit down here, you can if you want to still over there.
No, we'll lay here and hey Renee, we're gonna lay out
So
here.
eine sanfte Landung, ne?
So we'll end up moving the balloon.
Das sind wir nicht
Or
ohne.
move the van, I guess. We don't want to go too much further than this.
Bend your knees.
Wow.
Nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
You.